Don't do these two things if you are ready to make money online. Don't do these two things if you are like trying to find a way of making money online. So I'm going to be showing you two things that some people use to deceive you just to get views and nothing else. So don't do these two things. If you are struggling to make money online and you see a video and they're saying that you should do a survey, then you should do a survey and make money on it. Don't do it. I'm going to be showing you a reason behind that. Surveys, you can spend about 30 minutes to do a survey and you end up even getting not even up to 50 cents. Trust me, you will not even get up to 50 cents. And you compare the amount of data that you have used. You compare the amount of data that you have used to the amount that you have gotten. When you are to convert it back to the data, like you are to use it to buy data, you will not be able, it will not be able to buy the data that you even use to do the survey. The second thing that the reason why you should not do survey is that the time interval that it will take, like your time that you will spend on it. For let's say you spend about 30 minutes, you will have used it to do something better than that survey, and it can maybe will be something that can change your life forever. The number two thing that you need to avoid when you are trying to make money online, or when you are finding a ways of making money online, is don't watch videos that they will tell you that you should watch videos to get paid. It doesn't exist. Keep in mind, it doesn't exist. If you deceive yourself and you are going ahead to do that, trust me, it's not going to work. You are going to waste your time. You are going to waste your data, and you will not get any results out of that. You can, if you want to prove me wrong, you tell me that okay, you do this particular, like you watch this particular video and you have make profit, like money on it, and you have maybe withdraw that particular money and it have make sense to you. Tell me in the comment section. So feel free to comment in the comment section if it is true that you have ever watched a video and you have make money out of that. So some people just put that particular videos there to deceive you and get the views and go. So they just want to trap you. But here, I'm not going to do that kind of things. I'm going to be doing things that can make you money immediately you start, and can continue to exist to help you make money in the long run. So if you are interested in making money in the long run, make sure you join this particular page. Join the page, and don't also forget that there is no shortcut in making money. So when you're looking for shortcut in making money, I beg, this page, we are not those who are doing shortcut. There is no shortcut way in making money. So I'll show you the process, how you need to go about it. If you are satisfied, fine. If you are not satisfied, look for different things, but put in mind that there is no shortcut way in making money. And this page is not for everybody as well. It's for only hustlers who are ready to make money, whether online or offline. So if you are not ready to make money, you're just watching it for fun, maybe you may also be wasting your time. That's what I can tell you. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll be dropping a part 2 of things that you will not do when you want to make money, or when you are struggling to make money online. So make sure you also follow the page and turn on post notification bell, so that if I upload that particular video, you get notified and come to the page and watch. If you don't also follow the page, maybe this may be the first time that you are seeing me, and it may also be the last time that you see me, because they will not recommend this particular video or my page to you again, maybe after watching this particular one. So the best way is to follow this page. So guys, I'll see you in the part 2 of this video. Thank you for watching.